Hello friends, welcome to my channel Minute Science and Technology, and I think today you might be watching live premiere. So today's topic is two inventions. I got these two inventions from the book. This book, the 1001 inventions that changed the world. So in this there will be 1001 inventions from the ancient to today present period. So friends, before moving on topic, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share my channel to your friends. Ask them to subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel and help my channel to reach 100 subscribers. So friends, what are you waiting for? Let's get into the video. First invention is magnetic recorder. Danish engineer Valdemar Poulsen, who lived from 1869 to 1942, developed the magnetic recorder. So he lived from 1869 to 1942. He developed the magnetic recorder. This is a recording machine used widely in 20th century. That is, in 19th century, this recorder machine is widely used. The sound that was captured was converted into electrical pulses. So the sound that was captured in it was converted into electrical pulses. Then the Valdemar Poulsen patented or created his telegraph phone in 1898. So he created a telegraph phone in 1898. After 2 years, he took it to World Exposition in Paris. So I think there was an exposition in Paris in which they show their invention. So he took it to there. And he took it to the World Exposition in Paris. Then he recorded the voice of Austrian Emperor Franz Joseph. He then during these days you can hear some man or girl speaking in about Corona. So like that he recorded the voice of Austrian Emperor Franz Joseph. So there was an emperor named Austrian Emperor named Franz Joseph. So he recorded his voice in it. It remains the world oldest surviving magnetic audio recording. So that voice of the Franz Joseph remains the world oldest surviving magnetic audio recording. So as in fourth point, I told about I told a word called telegraph phone. So I will tell about it. Valdemar Poulsen's telegraph phone was a forerunner to the modern dictaphone. So today in modern times there is a type of phone called dictaphone. So before that the telegraph phone was used. So telegraph phone, the word is similar to the word telegraph. So forerunner to the modern dictaphone. So telegraph phone is a forerunner to the modern dictaphone. Friends, the next invention is phonograph. On November 21, 1887, Thomas Alva Edison, who lived from 1847 to 1931, announced the invention of phonograph, and thus he invented the phonograph. So he was the one who invented the phonograph. It is a device used for recording and replaying sound, the phonography, like photography. So the word similar to photography is phonography. So it is a device used for recording and replaying sound. So, and this process is called phonography. It is an invention which is used to capture beautiful moments. So it is an invention used to record during that time, not during these times. During that time, it is a very good instrument used for recording beautiful moments said by his friend or his mother. So Edison's phonograph incorporated two hands, one for recording and one for reproducing sound. So Edison's phonograph incorporated two hands, one for recording and one for reproducing sound. So as I said, it is a device used for recording and replaying sound. And Edison demonstrated this machine, which demonstrated this machine which transmitted sound via stethoscope, like a tube. So imagine a stethoscope, how it will be, a doctor's stethoscope. So it will be having two ears, and one will be here and one will be here. So he connects that stethoscope to that machine and he demonstrates via that ear. So he records with the present headphones. So you will be wearing headphones and you will be telling like this. So he records like that using that stethoscope. So he records. So Edison's inventions were spurred on his efforts by his own hearing difficulties. Edison recorded "Mary Had a Little Lamb" song in this phonograph. So he recorded, and this was the first song recorded in the phonograph machine. So, and this "Mary Had a Little Lamb" nursery rhyme song was recorded in this phonograph machine. So friends, it's now end of our video, and I think you may like these two inventions. Thank you and thanks for watching live, and thank you. Now let's end the video soon.